Hey everyone, it's Blake again, Miss Keckley's intern. Welcome back for another lesson. We are doing the same kinds of problems we did yesterday, where we solved two-step word problems involving multiplication, addition, and subtraction to assess the reasonableness of answers. So assessing the reasonableness of answers just means to make sure we don't get any crazy numbers, right? It needs to be something close to what we think the answer could be. So, all right, let's get going here. So we're going to talk about the commutative property, something that's real important and something we need to review. So let's review it a little bit. We have 4 times 2. 4 times 2 equals 4 times 2 equals 8. We can do this by holding up 4 fingers and skip counting 2, 4, 6, 8. And if we wanted to flip it, what would we have? Right, 2 times 4, which also equals 8. And it goes down the line. 5 times 3, what does 5 times 3 equal, guys? Let's put 5 fingers up and skip count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So 5 times 3 equals 15. You guys might almost know that by now. You've seen it so many times. And then you flip it. And then you flip it. And it is 3 times 5 equals 15. Then we have 9 times 2. 9 times 2, we can skip count by 2 9 times. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. We have 9 times 2. If we wanted to flip it to show that commutative property, we have 2 times 9. And look how they're all the same. 9 times 2 equals 18. 2 times 9 equals 18. And we have some more examples down here you guys can check out. We have 4 times 3. You flip it. 3 times 4 equals 12. Just showing the commutative property and how it relates. It's really cool, I think, how numbers all end up working out like that. All right, let's move into our problems. We do these little warm-ups to keep you guys sharp and make sure your foundations are really solid for whenever you guys move into kind of what you're doing now, where you have word problems and there's a lot going on in the problem. So to make sure we have our skills sharp, we can better focus on what the problem is asking us. Okay. All right. Miss Lanto orders 4 packs of 7 markers. After passing out 1 marker to each student in her class, she has 6 left. Label the tape diagram to find out how many students are in Miss Lanto's class. All right, so let's label our tape diagram. Well, we know we have 4 packs of 7 markers. So up here represents how many markers we have. The number of markers. Over here, markers. All right, so we have 4 packs. Oh, that's not what we want. We have 4 packs. We have 1 pack here, 2 packs, 3 packs, 4 packs with 7 markers in each. Awesome. And then, so we have the first part of this equation. And then, after passing out 1 marker to each student in her class, she has 6 left. So let's label the tape diagram to find out how many students are in Miss Lanto's class. All right, so let's figure out this top part of this problem first because we need that information. So we have 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. That would be 4 times, or 7 times 4. So you guys could count on, I would count 4 7 times. So hold up 7 fingers and do 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and 28. So there is a total of 28 markers. Awesome. 28 markers. This represents 28 markers, right? So we have this piece of information. Miss Lanto orders 4 packs of 7 markers, which we have right here. And after passing out 1 marker to each student in her class, she has 6 left. So this represents our number of students over here. And we want to know how many students are in the class. So how many students are in the class? Well, if she passed out 28 markers, and she has 6 left, there would be 22 students in the class. So this is a 2-part problem, right? We had to figure out what the amount of 4 packs of 7 markers were, and we did that using a tape diagram right here. And then we had to figure out, after she passed out 1 mark to each student in her class, that she had 6 left. So we had to take 6 and subtract it from 28 to figure out how many students we had. We have 22 students. All right. So Tina eats 8 crackers for a snack each day at school. Go ahead and put our information there. We have 8 crackers. On Friday, she drops 3 and only eats 5. Write and solve an equation to show the total number of crackers Tina eats during the week. So she has 8 crackers here, which also means she has 8 crackers here because she eats the same each day. Same here. It was only till Friday, which we have Monday here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It wasn't until Friday that she drops 3 and only eats 5. So it's a different number. So write and solve an equation to show the total number of crackers Tina eats during the week. Well, we know she eats 8 crackers every day, Monday through Thursday. So that's 4 days times 8. That equals, let's skip count by 4s 8 times. Everyone hold up 8 fingers. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, and 32. And this right here is crackers. So she ate 32 Monday through Thursday. And then plus, she had 5 crackers on Friday. So 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Tina ate a total of 37 crackers. All right, let's keep on moving on, guys. Mr. Nguyen plants 3 rows of trees with 8 in each row. Unfortunately, 1 row of trees need to be chopped down in order to build a house. How many trees are left? Well, we could do a tape diagram here, but I think we should go back and use an array, right? Because we know we have 3 rows. It just sounds like a nice problem for an array. With 8 in each row. Those will be your trees. 6, 7, 8. We have 3 rows with 8 in them. Lots of trees. All right. 3 rows with 8 in each row. Unfortunately, 1 row of trees needs to be chopped down in order to build a house. How many trees are left? So for this one, you guys could do this, where you just chop down an entire row. You just cross out an entire row and just use what you have here, which would be 2 times 8. Skip count, let's hold up 8 fingers. Skip count by 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 16 trees left. Awesome. Another way you guys could do this is by having your rows do a nice green color for trees. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we can do, what do we have? 3 rows of 8 trees. So 3 times 8 equals 24. And then it says 1 row of trees needs to be chopped down. So 1 row of trees is just 8 trees. So 24 minus 8. And then you have your answer of 16. There are 16 trees left. All right, guys. Thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you got something out of this lesson. And I'll see you guys next time.